What's up? Zach with another Home Depot Siege program review. Today it's the 1/2-inch Milwaukee metric and standard toolkit. It comes in a plastic case. This one just has a label for the description. The other one I have, the 1/4-inch, was actually printed on there, but pretty much the same. And this one actually has two closures, metal and plastic, versus the other one that was just a little slide in the middle for the plastic, but this is a much bigger kit. When you open it up, the tray that's everything in right here, you can just lift this out. You just want to put it in a drawer. Like I keep mine in there, but I keep the whole case in so I can just grab it and go mobile. But if you had it in a toolbox and you didn't want to bulky your case, you could lift it up and put it right in there. So it comes with one large ratchet. This one it's got a lot of weight to it. It's solid. It's got the nice Milwaukee laser etching in it. I'd say it's an average ratchet. The action on the levers not bad, and it feels like it has a decent amount of teeth, and it's tapered, so it's good to hold on to. It feels nice in your hand. I would say it's a little bit above average as far as ratchet goes. It comes with the standard, this way so you can see it, standard and metric, shallow and deep, and they're labeled both laser etched on the individual sockets, and they're also on the tray, so you know where to put everything back. So you have your deep in 10 to 19 millimeter and your shallow 10 to 24 millimeter over here. Two extensions, and then up on the standard size you have 1/2 inch, sorry about the glare, to 15/16 in deep, and 1/2 inch all the way up to 1 inch in shallow, which is good. I would say this is a good kit for a homeowner, a good kit for fairly I wouldn't say heavy use, but often use. Maybe like if you have a job where you need sockets. I haven't tested enough on automotive to compare it up with like a Snap-on or Mac. I would say I know that the ratchet definitely doesn't have a high tooth count like a Snap-on does, but overall it's a good solid kit. Good case, good tray. These, if you haven't seen the Milwaukee before, their sockets are kind of unique. Normally a regular socket is just a cylinder like that, but these are squared off, and they say they do that so you can put a wrench on there for extra leverage. Never done it, but it's available. And I have the 1/4-inch kit, which is right over there. That is, the sockets are the same way. They're square at the bottom. So overall, good kit. I'm glad that I can add it to my 1/4-inch kit, which I've used a lot more than I thought that I would. I do have some. I think I have a Milwaukee driver and a Torx, or what do I have over here? Sometimes I use this screwdriver, the M12. I think that's a 1/4-inch, and then this M12 is the 3/8 impact, I believe. Anyway, getting off topic. This is the other Milwaukee 1/4-inch one I have. See if I can open it with one hand. There we go. And there's that one. It's a cool little kit. So if you're looking at Milwaukee, I really recommend this little one. I've used it a lot. The ratchet is awesome. I love it, just because of the size and the taper on it. That's all I got on this. There's not too much to go into, other than it's a solid kit. I would recommend it. You know what? I'll show you. I do have fairly deep drawers in my miter saw station that I built in my wood shop down here, so this will fit. While we're here, let's measure it. Because I also just got this Milwaukee square to review also, which will be coming up next. It's about, where are we at there? About just around 2 1/4 high. So it's not too big. It should fit in most drawers. Even in my shallow drawer, this fits pretty easily. There we go. Fits right in there. There's plenty of room to spare. So that's it. I would recommend it, and have a good one.